Good morning, hot doll. Are you ready to wake up? Are you still mad at me? It really was your mom calling. I don't know where she is. I've got a yummy request from Lord Coyote 2000. Want to hear it? He'd like us to make a healthy version of chili cheese fries. That's my hot doll. Let's get to it. Ingredients are yam, organic chili beans, Laughing Cow's Baby Bell cheddar. Slice the yam into french fries. Put the yams in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and spices. And bake for 10 minutes at 425 degrees. Next, add 1/4 cup of the beans and then rip up the pieces of the cheddar and put back into the oven for another 10 minutes. This healthy version is gluten-free. The chili is loaded with protein and iron, and the yam is loaded with vitamin C, and the cheddar is loaded with calcium. Okay, hot doll, let's try it. Oh no, not yet. Okay. Yummy, huh? Wow, we got a hot doll happy dance. Let hot doll know in the comments what you'd like her to make next.